Want to watch wave bolts break in tension with AC100 glue? Check it out on this episode of How Not to Highline. Is that audio okay? So, the wave bolts were pretty interesting. Before we get into that, make sure you go to hownottohighline.com if you want to learn highlining A to Z, so you don't have to watch 150 episodes with outdated information. Put a lot of work into it, go check it out. As far as the wave bolts go, they were bending pretty low. And if these skinnier rod bolts, just like this BoltProducts.com twisted leg also has the same size metal rod, these skinnier rods tend to bend around 5 kilonewtons, which is pretty okay in a lot of climbing situations, but as far as highlining applications, which is how I filter all of my bolting decisions, if a anchor is not equalized completely perfectly, you could actually achieve 4 or 5 kilonewtons on a bolt, and you could permanently deform these.
Push down on the pedal?
Whoa, stop. It's at 4.8. We pre-tensioned with this nut to 4 kilonewtons. It's already lifting up. Keep going a little. Stop. Wow. Wow. That's not very much. That's only 5.7. All right, keep going. Oh. 8, 9, 10. Oh, shit. 12, 13. Oh, shit. 16, 17, 19, 21. Literally just pulling it out.
Oh, it's on default, so we don't know how much force it's exerting right now, right?
Correct. We don't know what it is right now. Gnarly. Gnarly.
Is there still tension on it?
Well, I don't want to touch it. So that is interesting.
I think it's...
Hold on, let's see here. Stop. You're not really gaining any now. So that was interesting. At 5 kilonewtons, it's basically shit. But it doesn't fail until 31.
You could tell it's been taken a...
If you highlined on that and it wasn't equalized right,
yeah,
it would ruin the bolt.
Yeah.
This wave bolt is reusable. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just the wrong shape.
Do you think you can get the quick link off of that one?
Oh, shit. I hope.
Maybe.
31 kilonewtons is not something I'm like, you know. Well, I guess 31 is better than some hangers, but
yeah,
whatever. These holes are clean.
Yes.
And these are wave bolts. Another wave bolt with, oh, what's our glue?
AC100 gold.
AC100 gold.
DeWalt.
DeWalt normal. We cleaned it. We did it right. We're using a soft shackle because it's easier to remove when we're done. We're already at 4 kilonewtons. Stop. At 5 kilonewtons, it's already deformed to this.
When we were putting it in.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, oh, 27.9. Why am I standing on the side of the machine that does not have the plexiglass? Oh, 28, we got 28. I'm sure that's all we're gonna get to. Wow, not impressed. .46, and it's coming out. Number 5. We're already at 3.12 kilonewtons. A wave bolt glue in installed properly. 6, 7, 8.
So what's happening there? Is the glue starting to fail?
Yeah, at 9.
At 9?
Yeah. Keep going.
Or that was a chunk of concrete. Yeah, that's the glue starting to fail at 9.
I can feel it in the slab.
Yeah, I can feel it over
Wow,
here.
yeah. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.72. Yeah. Now you can see that they don't break. They actually pull out of the rock, at least with the AC100 glue, which is quicker. You can like install it and use it a lot quicker, technically within 15 minutes. We are going to check the dry cure times to see, you know, how much of a limit you can push with that stuff. But as far as pulling in tension, we pulled the bolt straight out because this is a super smooth surface and the shape of it doesn't grab the glue enough. And so with our epoxy test that we've done, because we've done quite a few tests now, the epoxy holds a way better. It actually will break this. However, we're also finding that what we connect it to is failing. We have to use 14 millimeter quick links or 72 kilonewton steel carabiners in order to even get this to break. When we attach ropes to this, our ropes break where it touches the bolt rather than in the knot like it's supposed to, minimizing the strength of the rope we're getting. I have destroyed so many soft shackles trying to break these things because soft shackles are super strong, but when they go around small bend radiuses, it reduces the strength significantly. So it's bends quickly, it damages all my freaking gear, and they're okay. You can find these on Amazon, you can find these at Climb Tech. They're pretty affordable at, I think, $6 a piece. However, I prefer to have a larger rod when I use a glue-in. We're trying to make all this knowledge available to you so you can make the best decision for your bolting applications because everyone's bolting needs are different. Now, I do promote not bolting if you don't have to. Try to rig all natural or use trad or use whatever you're doing so you don't have to bolt and minimize the impact in our highlining areas.